Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through 14 steps to build business credit so your company can stand strong on its own. I am Sherrie, the founder of the Sfields Group and a Georgia real estate agent. When I first started my journey, I didn't have a roadmap. No one told me how to build business credit, how to get funding, or how to buy a home. So I had to figure it out myself. I was able to improve my credit. I was able to secure business funding. And with that foundation, I bought my first home. Now I'm here to share the same process with you, step by step. Step one, choose your business name. Start with a name that's short, simple, and easy to pronounce. If people can say it easily, they can also find it easily, whether they're searching on Google or recommending you to someone else. Once you've got a name in mind, check its availability. Every state has a Secretary of the State website where you can search registered business names and trademarks. For example, in Georgia, you'd use the Georgia Secretary of the State Business Search and see if that name is already taken. Step two, secure your domain name. I recommend using Namecheap because they make it simple. When you buy your domain name, you also have the option to set up hosting, branded email, all of it in one place. A domain name is going to be, for example, mine is the sfieldsgroup.com. When you purchase the domain, it's yours as long as you keep up the annual subscription. You can register it for 1 year or lock in for multiple years at once. Generally, depending on the name, it can cost anywhere from $7. I've never paid more than $12 for mine. Be cautious with some smaller domain providers. They sometimes add restrictions like making you keep the domain with them for a certain period before you are allowed to transfer. If you need help setting up a website or branded email, that's what we do. That's what we do at the Sfields Group. We help you get everything set up. We have a web design team that can help you with your website, professional email, and have it all working seamlessly together. So I'll provide our website in the comments. Just reach out if that's something you need assistance with. Step three, set up a professional business email. This is where you level up your credibility. Skip Yahoo, Gmail, or Outlook. They don't look professional on business cards, invoices, or portfolio. Instead, create a branded email tied to your domain. Some examples would be info at thesfieldsgroup.com or Sherrie at thesfieldsgroup.com. Um, the key is to make sure every email you send reflects your business name and not your personal account. Step four, establish a business address. Your business needs a legitimate address, and this step is more important than most people realize. Do not use a P.O. box. When lenders or creditors check your application, their systems will flag those as non-business locations, which can hurt your credibility. If you don't have a brick and mortar address, the solution is a virtual business address or an office. Companies like Regis.com and others provide virtual offices nationwide, and a quick search for virtual office near me will bring up plenty of choices. Compare pricing and services to find out what fits both your budget and your business needs. Step five, get a business phone number. Your business needs its own phone number, not your personal cell or home line. A dedicated business number builds credibility and separates your personal life from your professional presence. There are plenty of good services out there that make it easy. Providers like call8.com, grasshopper.com, and I personally use Google Voice. If you need help setting that up, just let me know. Google Voice allows the call to come in and then it forwards it to your cell phone line. But do your research, compare features, pricing, and select a provider that best fits your needs. This small step makes a big difference in how your business is perceived. Step six, we want to register your business with the Secretary of the State. Every business must be officially registered with the Secretary of the State. The easiest way to get started is to Google your state Secretary of the State website. For example, Texas Secretary of the State, or New York Secretary of the State. From here, you'll find the correct portal to register your business. But before you begin, you'll need to decide on your business entity type. Will you operate as an LLC, a sole proprietorship, a corporation, or another structure? Each option comes with its different benefits and responsibilities, and both the IRS and Dun Bradstreet will rely on this information as well. Most Secretary of the State websites include explanations for each entity type that will help you to choose which one is best for your business. Keep in mind that there's always a filing fee, which does vary state by state. For example, California, they might charge, I believe last time I checked, they charged something like $70, while other states may be higher or lower. Once you've paid the fee and completed registration, your business will be officially recognized at the state level. Step 7, apply for your EIN number. An EIN number is your employer identification number, and it comes from the IRS. This is essentially your business's social security number, and you'll need it for taxes, banking, and building business credit. So you'll want to go over to the irs.gov/business, and the page you'll see, on that page, you'll see 4 blue boxes. Click the one that says Apply for EIN. The form will ask for details you've already set up, things like your business entity type, your name, your address, your phone number, as well as some personal information such as your name, social security number, and date of birth. That's completely normal and required. The application process from here is pretty straightforward. Just keep clicking continue until you reach the end, and the IRS will instantly generate your EIN number. Be sure to write it down and to keep it in a safe place. You will also receive a confirmation email with the IRS letterhead, and that will include your number as well. Download and save this letter because you'll need it. You'll need your EIN for several of the steps coming up. Step 8, get your DUNS number. And you'll get your DUNS number from Dun Bradstreet. This number is essential for establishing your business credit profile. It's just as important as your EIN number. Go to Dun Bradstreet's website. Be prepared to, once you apply, Dun Bradstreet may contact you to verify your information, and they may also try to upsell you on additional products or credit monitoring services. These are completely optional. You are not required to purchase anything in order to get your DUNS number. Remember, the number itself is always free. So at this point, you'll now have 3 critical identifiers for your business: your Secretary of the State filing number, your EIN number from the IRS, and your DUNS number from Dun Bradstreet. Step 9, register for a NAV account. NAV offers free accounts, but we're interested in the Business Boost subscription, which is extremely powerful. With it, you'll get updates for your business credit scores from Dun Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. You'll also see your personal credit scores alongside your business credit on the same dashboard if that's something that you're interested in adding there. You'll also be able to establish an active trade line because NAV reports your monthly subscription to all 3 major business bureaus. This means paying for NAV each month helps you build credit history while staying informed about your progress. It's both a monitoring tool and a growth tool. And as an affiliate, I'll leave a link in the comments if you'd like to sign up directly through us. Step 10, you want to open a business bank account. This is where everything you've done so far comes together. To open a business bank account, you'll need the same 3 identifiers: your Secretary of the State filing number, your EIN number from the IRS, your DUNS number from Dun Bradstreet. And if you have copies of these documents with you in a folder, bring those into the bank if you're going physically into a location. When choosing a bank, I would consider accessibility. How close is it to you? How convenient is it for you? I would definitely consider minimum deposit requirements, monthly fees, perks such as rewards, promotional offers. Business bank accounts is US Bank, Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and American Express. But the right choice is whatever bank fits your business operation and financial goals. I've personally used US Bank, Wells Fargo, and American Express, and I generally had my account information within a few days. Step 11, list your business on search engines and directories. Now your business foundation is solid. It's time to make sure people can actually find you. Start by listing your business on major search engines and directories, including Google Business, Bing, Yahoo, Yelp, and there are many more. There are hundreds of different directories out there. I definitely would make it a priority to list your business with Google Business. At this stage, you should have everything that you need to list your business. You have your address, your phone number, your email address, your website. Use this information to fill out the listing completely and consistently. The goal is simple. When someone searches for your business name or even just the type of service or product you offer, you want your company to show up quickly and to look credible. The more places your company is listed, the easier it is for potential customers and lenders to find and verify your business. Step 12, list your business phone number with a 411 directory assistance. This step may seem old-fashioned, but it's still very important for your credibility. Make sure your business phone number is listed with the 411 directory assistant. And here's why. If someone can't find your number online, they may still call 411 to request it. You want to be sure the operator can pull up your business quickly and provide your number to the caller. Even more importantly, when you apply for business credit or loans, lenders often cross-check databases like 411 to verify that your business phone number is active and publicly listed. Having it in the directory reinforces that your business is legitimate and accessible. In short, don't skip this step. Listing your number with 411 ensures that the business, customers, and creditors can find you and confirm your business. Step 13, build a social media presence. Whether you love it or not, social media is no longer optional for business owners. The more visible your business is online, the easier it is for customers or even lenders to find and trust you. Start with a Facebook business page. This isn't the same as joining the Facebook groups. This is your official page that acts as a public storefront. Fill out the information completely. Include your business hours, your phone number, your website, and a clear description of what your business does. Then post regularly. You gotta post. Nothing hurts credibility more than a page that looks like it's been abandoned. They have information that was updated years ago. You want to make sure that you're sharing update, promotions, services, products, and the reason why people should choose you. You also want to make sure that you expand to platforms beyond Facebook, the Instagrams, the Twitters, the Pinterest, the LinkedIns, the YouTube. Once you create content, you can repurpose it and share to those different platforms. The goal is simple. When people search for you online, they should immediately see an active professional business presence across multiple platforms. The goal is simple. When people search for you online, they should immediately see an active professional business presence across multiple platforms. That visibility builds trust. It attracts customers and it strengthens your brand. Step 14. Last and final step, laying your foundation. We want to begin applying for Tier 1 vendor accounts. The final step in laying your foundation is to begin applying for Tier 1 vendor accounts, also known as Net 30 accounts. These vendors extend small lines of credit to your business with payment terms of 30 days. And the best part is this. Many of them require no personal guarantee and no strong personal credit history. You'll be applying under your business name, your EIN, and your DUNS number, which means you're building credit strictly in your business profile. This is where the groundwork you've done in the previous steps starts to pay off. In my next video, I'll walk you through specific Net 30 vendors you can apply for right away. I vetted these myself and I was able to obtain them without a personal guarantee. In the meantime, review the first 14 steps carefully. If you have questions, you can reach out to me in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Good luck on your journey to building strong business credit, and I'll see you in the next video where we dive into Tier 1 vendors.